talk about how can you get premium on your Cambly app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that with your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click your own profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on subscribe here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to take you to this list here, and here can you get here your premium here. So if you want to select private here or small groups, here can you select it here. That's all. I wish you I get it. So and here can you, if you want to add every year here, and here choose how to pay here. If you want to add your promo code, then and you click here on apply promo code if you have it. If you don't, just click here on choose how to pay, then add your card information. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.